How to check how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can check how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you wanna do is to go here at google.com and you can see your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. You can click this. And as you can see right here, it said manage your Google account. You can click this. Once you're here in this section, you wanna go click the data privacy on the left side of the screen. The next thing is scroll down until you see this YouTube history. Click this again. Then you want to scroll down again until you see this manage history. You can click this. The next thing here, you want to go here at the left side again and click the interactions. Go here and then click the channel subscriptions. And then here you can see all the accounts or YouTube channels that you subscribe. As you can see right here, example, Chirrog, as you can see, it said I subscribed to him way back December 2022. And we got here a lots of channel I subscribed in. So we have here Mr. Beast. I have subscribed Mr. Beast way back 2021, February 17, 2021. And there you go guys. That's how to check how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube. I hope the video was really helpful and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.